hard, bro. I might have to grab those. I might have to grab those. What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Cam Quarterbanks, the headwear connoisseur, streetwear lover, straight like that. Today we headed downtown Chicago, man, and it's none other than one of my favorite spots to go streetwear shopping, and that's FatTiger Workshop, man. So let's not even waste time. Let's just get right to it. Roll that beautiful B-roll footage. Roll camera.
Trap money, crack money, get it how you get it. Most of the niggas talk about it. I just like to live. Got the 40 pop.
As y'all see right now, I'm in FatTiger Workshop, man. This is one of the illest spots to me in Chicago. I mean, lifestyle-wise, the shop is welcoming. Everybody here is welcoming, and everything is really artistic. It's creative on the inside. But look, I'm finna grab a few pieces. What pieces do y'all feel like I'm gonna grab today? Y'all let me know. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what pieces that I should be grabbing right now. Let me know what pieces I should be grabbing. But I'll let y'all know when this is done. I'll let y'all know what pieces I'm grabbing. I know I gotta grab a hat, so this is something that I was really trying to grab right now. If anybody knows Shell gas station, then y'all know right there what that is right there. That's funny. But these playing cards here, listen, y'all know I be getting down on the spades, but I'm not gonna play no spades with these joints. Like, look at that, look. Hard, bro. I'm gonna have to grab those. But we're gonna get back to the B-roll footage and we're gonna keep this rolling, alright?
Niggas talk about it. I just like to live. Got the 40 pop on me. Split it down the middle. That's how I get rich. Ain't no monkey in the middle. Trap money, crack money. Get it how you get it. Most of the niggas talk about it. I just like to live. Got the 40 pop on me. Split it down the middle. That's how I get rich. Ain't no monkey in the middle. 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 50 bucks running it up. Bad hoes run through, loopholes run through, all the paper run through, money counter thumb through it, fast car, NASCAR, put them Louboutins to it, skirt on the free.
Alright, man, what's good, y'all? I am back, man. I just came from out that cold, frigid weather, man. Jack Frost was nipping at my nose, man. I wasn't too hot about that, man, but you know what? It's okay. I'm not even gonna trip about that. I'm back up in a warm area. It's okay, don't worry about it. And I know some of y'all probably looking like, yo, I thought you had on your Nike swoosh hoodie, and I did, but when I was on the train, somebody ended up bumping into me and knocking some red juice on my hoodie, my favorite hoodie at that. You know what? Woosah. But in the meantime, I'm not even finna trip about that. You know, just as promised, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all the pieces that I end up copying. But first, let me get up out of this hoodie because I'm hot. All right, now we back. I think that's it. Before we even start, give y'all some information about FatTiger. There is 3 creators of FatTiger Workshop. You have Vic Lloyd, Joe Fresh Good, and you have Rattle. All 3 of these men are different when it comes to creativity. So they have 3 different brands combined into one. So you will have Don't Be Mad, DBM is Vita Worldwide. You will have Sensei, Big Homie Sensei. Each of these designers have their own way of creating pieces. Let's just hop right into it and show you these pieces that I got when I went to FatTiger Workshop, man. So yeah, the first piece that I grabbed, I told y'all I was getting it, right? I told y'all I wasn't playing. I was serious. I was serious about this. The collection. This was created by Rattle. This is his Vita Worldwide brand. This is one of his collection pieces that he put together. I checked this out and I had to grab this piece. Why? Because I did not have the chance to get that yellow button up that he had for his Fuck Luck collection, which I'm really angry about. Like, it's okay. Woosah. Don't even worry about it. I got that. Check that out. I will not be playing. Like I said, I told you I wouldn't be playing with these. These are going to go in my collector's items. Continue to grow, Rello, man. This is fire, man. I won't play with these. So if somebody tries to play with these, just know it's gonna get real. If somebody really tried to come in here, I have spades cards already. I have cards already. I play spades and everything like that. So hopefully nobody try to come here and grab these cards because if they do, it's gonna get real. But let's get right to the next pieces, man. Let's just hop right to it. All right, y'all. So first up is the DBM shirt, the Don't Be Mad shirt. This is one of the big pieces that I have. This is pretty dope. The reasons why, because it has, of course it has Chicago on it. And of course a lot of t-shirts can have Chicago just typed up on it or whatsoever. But this is pretty dope because they have, of course, the like varsity print that's here, the Chicago varsity print. And I really think that's huge. I mean, there's a lot of Chicagoans and we're huge on our sports. So I mean, Chicago Bulls, Bears, Cubs, the Sox, the Blackhawks, and so forth. I mean, so many sports teams that we're huge into our sports. So to have this print is very, very dope. Also on here, they have the smiley face, which is one of the main logos for DBM. Don't Be Mad, which is really tight. Instead of them using the letter O on here, they decided to go with the happy face on here. And we ain't even done with that, because on the back, if y'all can see that, it say, smile, you're the greatest. Now, the reason I like that is because even though it's pretty simple, you still have a huge message that's on the back of the shirt. Shout out to Joe Fresh Goods on this one. This is a fire piece. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. I'm not gonna tell y'all when I'm gonna be wearing this because this is gonna have to come out like on some fire, you know what I'm saying? Next up, we have the big homie Sensei, you feel me? This is his brand. This is Vic Lloyd's brand, which is Sensei, big homie Sensei. This piece actually just dropped recently, and as y'all can see, if y'all cannot see, check that out. Y'all see that? It's a little dark. But it's simple. It has, I will show you all the picture of what it looks like on the front if you all can't see it. But it has the dragon on here. And if you look at his website, you will see a lot of these type of designs, these type of patterns on here. Of course, this is simple. It's a simple layout t-shirt, but I actually enjoy this. Like, I'm not really too big into like the crazy designs and crazy patterns because I end up getting really picky. So when it's really simple, but it has a dope meaning and it has a dope drawing or some type of print on there that's really crazy, of course I'm gonna have to grab it. So shout out to Vic Lloyd for this, man. Big homie Sensei. Of course I'm gonna have his information jotted down below, so y'all drop them comments if y'all enjoy this color. And on top of that, I am huge into loud colors. Of course I'm big on huge colors, but so when I do wear this, it's gonna be sometime where I gotta just present myself in a loud area. Like these are one of the pieces I was telling you also about. Like, you don't have to be super loud. You can wear something that's loud color, but it doesn't have to be like loud patterns and all that stuff. Like stand out too much. I mean, just stand out just enough. This is one of the pieces that I was talking about. So shout out to Vic Lloyd again, man. Big homie Sensei. I'll be wearing this sometime soon. For the last piece, the final of the three, it has to be Vita Worldwide. This is Rattle's brand, Vita Worldwide. Without further ado, this joint, fire, fuego. On here it says Vita Worldwide. Then on here it says Los Angeles, fire. It got a gold angel on the front, which I think is really, really dope. The play on the colors and the play on the font is seriously dope to me. I think that's fire. It's not like just this thick gray and then you just put it together. Like, it has a nice ash gray, and I really do enjoy this, how like the color, it goes well with the pattern of like this gold pattern, like an aged piece of gold, you know, like aged gold that sat around, you know, you collected dust and dirt and everything. So this is pretty dope. I would have to wear like with some cool grays, man. Y'all know that my #1 Jordan sneakers of all times was the cool grays, the Jordan 11s. Those are my favorite sneakers of all time, and with that, I would have to put it with this one. So, yo, I'm huge on that gray wave, so this definitely is gonna be seen with this. Shout out to Rattle, man. Vita Worldwide, again, his information along with the other 3 members, the other 3 creators and designers of FatTiger Workshop will be on the bottom of the comments. So go ahead, check on the inside. So yeah. These are my pieces. So I got the cards, I got the dice, I got 3 shirts to represent all 3 creators and designers of FatTiger Workshop, man. So shout out to y'all, shout out to Vic Lloyd, shout out to Joe Fresh Good, shout out to Rattle, man. You all are continuing to do an amazing job, and it's great to continue to see them grow every time. Like, all of the love that they're receiving inside of Chicago and on the outskirts of Chicago in different states, they continue to show love right back. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop a like, give me that thumbs up, drop some comments below, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and at the same time make sure you turn on that notification bell, because I'm gonna be dropping some bombs like this every time, man, for real. So thank y'all for joining me, man. I'm gonna catch up when I see y'all, and as always, man, I'm out, I'm gone, I'll holla at you. Peace.